hurry. We good.
What's up?
What's up, man? Devin.
Good to meet you. Alright, I'll follow you. Watch my keys not be in here. Yes, they are. Yay. Holy fuck, it's hot.
Let me throw my mic on so you guys can hear me just a little bit better. Alright, that should be a lot better. What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Should be a pretty fun day. Should be a really fun day. I feel like I say that a lot, but we're out here in California, Southern California. So every day is fun down here. I literally just made Brandon wait forever, and now he's just sitting there, not moving, when I'm supposed to be following him. We're headed down to Oceanside, California right now to go shoot a few cars. I think we're shooting with Dustin Williams once again, and then he wants to shoot a Evo 10 down there as well. So should be a pretty good time. I got the Rotor Nest with me. I got both lenses. I got myself, and I got Monster Energy drink. Shout out to Monster Energy for hooking up your boy. No, I'm just playing. I wish I was sponsoring them. Are we gonna leave or not, Brandon? Let's hit the road. Shit, this car is slow. Oh my lord. Maybe I will just freaking up the money to 5K or whatever to boost this bitch. So slow. So we made it to absolutely beautiful Oceanside, and Brandon and another photographer, right now we're currently shooting a Evo 10. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'll show it to you when he comes back around. I don't know where he went. Where'd he go? You like it?
Yeah, I love this car. This is like one of my favorite Evo 10s.
What? Even more than mine?
It's like tied with yours. Different style.
Brandon is always making people get in trouble. Damn it, Brandon. It's all your fault, bro.
Don't dog me with the cop right there, because the cop's gonna be like, what the fuck?
That's fine. All right, bro, where can they find your IG at?
At Photography.
Cops. They were being hella chill at first until he went on the wrong side of the road, and then they were not having it. What's up? No cops today? What? So no popos down here today? So Brandon and the other photographer are taking photos of the FRS on the beach.
Oh my gosh, it's so freaking nice. Oh.
I'm gonna give you a little tour so when Bobby watches this vlog, she can see what Oceanside's all about. It's so freaking gorgeous here. Babe, we're moving here. Look at this shit. Put your toesies in the sand. You can have drinks on the beach. Probably not, but damn, it's so freaking nice. All your photo shoots can be on that freaking bridge over there. You can go tanning right there. I think this is the place to be. And you can take dope photo shoots on the beach of cars, and then we can freaking rent out one of these things. Right, Brandon?
What?
Ah, so peaceful. All right, guys, I haven't picked up the vlog camera for a while, but we just went to dinner. Brandon shot a few photos of my FRS. Just went to dinner with Dustin and his GTR and his girlfriend. Good to meet you.
I'm buying his FRS.
So she's driving the GTR?
Yeah.
She's driving the GTR for the first time.
First time tonight.
She's
Damn.
gonna do good.
Yeah, she's
gonna do good.
It's fine.
No, for real though, bro. Like, let's meet up.
We're gonna make it happen. I'm gonna drive this car. I really do want an
and then
FRS
you're
or
gonna buy
Piercy.
one, like, right after.
Exactly. That's what's gonna.
Guaranteed.
That's literally what's gonna happen.
Yeah.
That's absolutely gonna happen.
So nice to meet you.
Meet you. I just gotta hear this thing start up.
Yeah, it sounds pretty good.
Yeah. What exhaust is it? Tomei?
So it's full custom
Oh, okay.
with a Tomei tip. So.
Ooh, there you go. Ooh. That sounds good.
It's a good sound.
It's like not too loud,
No, it's perfect.
but it's like
Under load, it sounds really good.
daily. Hi, bro.
Alright, see you,
That's
man.
it, man. I hope you guys can see me fine. Another very, very good night out here in Southern California. We're currently in Oceanside. Came down here to shoot a few cars and then we went to dinner with Dustin. Absolute pleasure as always to hang out with Dustin, and tonight he brought his girlfriend along, so I got to meet her. Honestly, Bobby, if you're watching this, you'd really like her. She's all about fitness just like you. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning. All right, peace out. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. It's currently 5:30 in the morning. I was supposed to head up to Angela's Crest with a bunch of homies, shoot some footage, but someone flies in to the airport at 8 o'clock that I'm picking up. If you guys saw yesterday's video, or maybe it was 2 days ago, we have a special guest coming in town today, down to California. So I gotta pick him up at 8. I would literally get to Angela's Crest, turn right back around. So what I'm gonna do, go hit the gym, bang out some cardio, and then we can go to the airport. I'll show you who the special guest is in a minute. Ooh. Oh, what up, bro? What was that?
How much you get your bags for?
I got him new. It's like a sponsorship. So the guest that we brought into town is the girl.
Me.
Mr. Bobby. Mr. Bobby
Mister?
Wallace. Mr. Bobby
Do I look
Wallace.
like a mister?
No. You're tripping. All right. What are you gonna buy?
I think I'm gonna grab the grilled nuggets. I really want the fried one or the unhealthy ones, but I'm gonna go for the grilled.
Good girl.
Yeah.
Watch this be like a fire alarm. You guys are gonna laugh.
Okay.
We got a box of 30 chicken nuggets to eat, all grilled, since we're so damn healthy and freaking boring like that. But it is what it is. It's literally, damn it, that's loud. It's cheaper to get 30 versus, I was gonna get, hey, it's a Lamborghini, I think. I was gonna get 12 and then she's gonna get 12, and it was like $5 cheaper to get 30 and you get more chicken.
Yeah, like why wouldn't you?
Like, why wouldn't you?
Say did I get them? Ow, ow, mother fricker. Why? Every single time.
Goodbye, Chick-fil-A. I'm gonna miss you. This is the last time we're having Chick-fil-A.
What? I
Yeah.
thought you said tomorrow we can get fries.
It's Sunday though, and they're not open.
Goodbye. That's really sad.
I know.
But
Should we
you
get fries?
said-
Should we get fries to go?
And you said a milkshake in here too.
We can go anywhere for a milkshake.
It's not the same.
I love Chick-fil-A. Anyways,
Not as much as me.
I don't love it as much as you. I don't love Chick-fil-A as much as I love you. Which one is it? We're gonna go to the beach. I'm gonna enjoy some time with my girlfriend because I haven't seen her in like 2 weeks. I'm not gonna vlog it, but later on today I'm gonna be shooting with a aim gain GTR. That'll be tomorrow's video. Stay tuned for that. And then after that, I feel like I said this a few days ago, I have a very pleasant surprise for you guys coming soon. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already, because you guys are not gonna want to miss this. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.
Anything you ought to peep onto this thing?
The next video is gonna be Cancun. Wait.
It's the GTR video.
Oh. Alright. Well, you guys want to stay tuned for
There's
the
a-
next stuff.
Basically, there's a special reason Bobby came down here.
Mm-hmm.
It wasn't only to see me. It's for another reason. What could that be? Dun 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 dun.
No, that's not what it